Nice Chevelle, guys. Factory color car, beautiful paints. There are no, we do have the trim that we just ordered for the back window, the quarter window. Everything appears to be original. Factory GM stampings on both quarters, solid trunk, 12-bolt posi. Built 350 headers, high-rise aluminum intake, 4-barrel carb. TH350 trans has been rebuilt to handle the power. Buckets, console, triple gauge package. Nice headliner, not a rust bucket, guys. So right now it has a manual reverse body on the trans. I'm gonna have that removed and then I'll do a better video.